pool at the shores of Panama, Gulfront condominiums in Panama City Beach is awesome. I'm Craig Duran with the Duran Group at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. Today I'm going to show you around the complex and show you a spectacular 1-bedroom, 2-bath Gulfront unit that's for sale. Let's take a look. All right, here we are inside of 1402. This is a 1-bedroom, 2-bath with bunks, true Gulfront unit. I'm going to show you a little more of the condo in just a second, but let's talk about the amenities at Shores of Panama. Downstairs, again, it's a spectacular Gulfront pool. There are hot tubs, a tiki bar. There's an indoor pool, which is really, really important for rentals, fitness center, ice cream shop. Really, really spectacular complex. Back inside, impressive amenities, right? Let me tell you a little bit about what I said earlier, though. I mentioned this is a true Gulfront unit. Shores of Panama is shaped like a horseshoe right on the Gulf, so there are only 6 stacks of condos that are true Gulfront condos, and this is one of them. Again, we're in number 1402, and it's an impressive remodel. The owners or contractors, every element of this unit's been redone. They have impressive fixtures, white marble countertops, new floors. The bunk beds have their own TVs. The TVs are new. Every element has been redone. Let's take a look around. There you go, that's a look around Shores of Panama. That's a look around unit number 1402. It's for sale now. And again, what I mentioned earlier, it's a true Gulfront unit. Look how stunning it is out on the balcony. You're not inside looking at other units, you're just enjoying this incredible view. I'm Craig Duran with the Duran Group at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. If you want more information about this unit or you want to see it in person, give me a call, shoot me a text, 850-290-0417. Thanks for watching.